Today we're going to be doing the Hiccup challenge. This is going to be my own challenge. Okay? I never did my own challenge before. We are going to, so this is mostly about you have to do things while you have your hiccup. Usually, whenever I have a hiccup, I just lay in bed and just watch YouTube videos. That's what I do. God, keep hiccuping. Okay, I haven't been posting. Also, a happy May. God, next Monday I have summer vacation. I mean, June 8th. It's my last day of school, and I won't be able to see anybody. Be back. I'm gonna get my television. Plus, I don't know how long my hiccup is gonna last for. My bed does not even match, but like it's so comfortable. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, sure. Okay, let's get started. Let's go in to the kitchen. Never mind, I changed my mind. I'm gonna just being like the living room. So let's do a cartwheel. Let's go. Okay. Now we do push-ups. God, I know. I hate it. Do you know how to? Oh God. Sorry guys. Okay. I'm gonna leave my tablet in here, and let's see what you guys do. Tablet's in the freezer, guys. Was it fun in there? The freezer. Oh my God, to be honest, I wonder how it looks to be in the refrigerator. Can't wait to watch this video. Oh my God. Okay, next video. Jump in the couch. God. Okay. I don't know what to do now. Use more time. I am not going to try this, but I am going to see it. Do not like to eat food that I don't know where it's made from. So this is the candy. I haven't tried it yet. I do want to eat it. I do not want to eat it because you never know where it's from. How does this look? I do not want to try that though. We got some slime. And this, I put water in it. Just kidding, I didn't. But somehow, it's a little bit sticky. Okay, let's put this up. You know how slimes are made to be in water? I am going to name this slime Bubblegum. It looks like bubblegum. Doesn't it, guys? I think my hiccups went away. Oh no, so oh, stuck on my skin. It's stuck on my skin. It's okay. Oh, okay. So that's it of that slime. That's pretty fun. So, see. Be back. I'm gonna ask my mom if I can go outside.